Hello guys. I'm a friend of Vikram, Rahul, Abhishek, Pranav, Rajesh. Yes, you guessed it correctly. I am Grandmaster Karuna, Priya, Rani, Lakshmi, Pandey, with a new chess tutorial to counter the Intercontinental Ballistic Cruiser Missile Gambit that my friend Vikram taught you all. It is such a simple counterattack, yet there are a lot of people who think that the Tennison Gambit will still work, and they horribly fail. I will show you why this counterattack is so effective. White plays pawn to e4, where we respond with the Scandinavian defense, pawn to d5. This is an inaccuracy made out of psychological reasons, the reason being that white will now play the Intercontinental Gambit, thinking they've already won. They will play knight to f3. We will play into the gambit further and capture the e4 pawn. Once we capture the pawn, the white player's ego will be boosted beyond imagination, and they will play knight to g5. However, this is their first and last blunder, as now we can launch our counterattack. We will play pawn to e5, developing the pawn and attacking the knight with a discovered attack by the queen. The knight will move back to capture our e4 pawn to save their knight. They will be confused by the excellent strategy we have developed. Now we move our pawn to f5, attacking the knight again. The white player will be pressured and they will play knight to g3, saving their knight yet again. Now we make another psychologically pressuring move, knight to c6. The unsuspecting white player will think that we have blundered and move bishop to c4, getting into position for an improvised intercontinental gambit, which is a good move. However, this is what we had expected, and now we play queen to h4, attacking the bishop and daring them to play the gambit out further. They will move the pawn to d3. We have essentially prevented their RT2PM2 Topol-M cold-launched 3-stage solid propellant silo-based intercontinental ballistic missile to be launched. The next move is now very obvious. Now we will begin our counterattack by initiating offensive procedures for the BFG 10,000 that we have installed in the International Space Station orbiting approximately 420 kilometers above ground level with an orbital inclination of 51.63 degrees to attack white's remaining pieces. This is the easiest step that even beginners can perform to decimate white. Now watch carefully as we fire the BFG 10,000 to take control of the board in just a few short seconds. As you can see, our counterattack was successful. Black now has a positional advantage and is ahead in the development of their pieces.